Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the United Commercial Bank which you will need for sending and receiving the international payments safely. So to begin with, first of all, simply open your preferred web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for uco.bank.com.bd. So once you are here, use the search bar on the top and you need to simply search for SWIFT code. Now, once you are able to find any of the articles which is relating to the Swift code, you will have to click on that and try to get the Swift code from the website. If this method doesn't work for you, you can just directly try to contact them and get the Swift code from them. In addition to it, there is another easy method that you can try. So first of all, you need to come here on bank.codes. Over here, you will find this section. So here, after providing some of these details, you can get the Swift code of your bank. First of all, select your country, which in our case is Bangladesh. After that, simply select your bank, which in our case is the United Commercial Bank. So here, if I type United Commercial Bank, you will find it here. After selecting the city, remember that the city should be the one that is closest to the place where you are living. So for example, if you are living around Dhaka, so the Swift code of the Dhaka will work for you. So after selecting the city, it is going to show you all of the Swift codes as per the information that you have added over here. Now you can use any of these Swift codes in order to make the payments. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.